Here we have a 2008 Ford E350 diesel Power Stroke Quigley van, four-wheel air ride suspension, no springs, just airbags. Tires are Pro Comps 37.5 with a 22-inch rim. Air suspension currently all the way down. I'm going to lift the air suspension to the 14-inch ride height, maximum ride height, which is going right now. Air compressors will automatically turn on. Suspension is Kelderman Air Ride. It's 4-link with Bilstein 7100 shocks. Truck drives like brand new. Handles perfect. Fully loaded, Eclipse interior. 7-passenger leather. Front heated seats. Bluetooth capable radio. Double backup cameras. Keyless entry with a keypad on the truck. Truck is now at maximum height. I will now go to ride height. Truck is going to dump air till it comes down to the ride height setting. It'll settle. You hear the compressors turn out automatically for it to find the ride height. We'll now walk up to the truck and I'll show you some of the options. Entire undercarriage is totally done in Pore 15, and when the truck only had 9 miles on it, it has 4 coats of K2 clear. It also has Bilstein shocks, which are clear coated. They are also done in plastic dip, sprayed on all ends and heim joints to alleviate rust. This truck is powder coated. Everything silver that you see is powder coated. It has AMP Research automatic steps. They deploy when you open the door. They're the full length of the truck. When you close the door, they will automatically close. The truck has its dual onboard Advair compressors with an air chuck built right into the wheel well. You can run tools. There is 4 one-arm bandit valves on each bag that'll shut the air ride off, so any technicians working on the truck that want to fool with the air ride can't do it. Truck only has 26,000 miles on it. It's absolutely perfect. No body work or paint work of any kind. Chrome bumpers. It has a backup light, 7-pin brake connector with electric controller. It has a hitch storage area. It has calipers, 4-wheel discs that are painted. Those are high heat tech paint. They stay in that condition. Everything you see that's clear and very high gloss is 100% clear coat or K2 clear or powder coat. There is no armor all on this truck of any kind. It has Bushwhacker fender flares. It has the Quigley insignia across the truck. It has tow mirrors, 4-wheel bags, as you can see. It has level ride sensors for the Air Ride Technologies Pro Air system. It runs and drives absolutely perfect like a brand new truck. I'm now starting my new project, and I am selling my old one, which really has no miles. As you see, super clean, no rust, no rot whatsoever. Nice clean truck, ready to go. There's our keyless entry pad, Ford item. 7-passenger Eclipse interior. Dome light on and off switch with the backup switch. Road rest armrest, custom made for this truck. They don't make it. The Pioneer radio, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. I'll go around to the side door. Sorry, this is the back door. As you can see, super clean. Custom made hidden storage area into the back door. Lock switch. Rugs are absolutely perfect. Never had a foot on them. This entire interior has been covered since it's new. It's only seen light use with 26,000 miles. I have driven it in the snow. Usually it's kept in my heated garage for winter. I do not allow it to go out on the road in the winter because they use salt on the roads here in New York, and it is not user friendly to anything that's going to rust or rot. You have the rear seat, seats 3 people. This folds down. Extreme Sports insignia on all the headrests. Leather's perfect. The original carpet protectors with the original carpet, unscathed. Not a foot ever touched them. They've been covered since new. You see the undercarriage of this truck is absolutely sparkling clean. None of this is painted. Everything you see here is powder coat, or anything that's black is K2 Clear, which is a rubberized clear high gloss undercoating that will not allow anything to rust or rot. You see the door panels, they're perfect. Bottoms of the doors. Truck is immaculate through and through. 4x4 shifter. Manual hubs. There's a view of the whole back of the interior with the headliner. There's shades on all the windows. I have them all in the up position right now. There's mood lighting. Here we have our Airride Technologies computer built into the dash, and this will show you the values of air in each wheel once the key's in the on position. We can raise and lower the truck manually, front or back. Here's a radio coming up right now. This has, like I said, 2 backup cameras, one up high to see the hitch ball, and one down low to give you a total view of the whole back of the truck. Just give it a minute to power up. Ashtray's never been used. Absolutely immaculate. Seats are perfect. These are the original floor mats supplied by Eclipse. They've never been installed in the truck till now. The floor has been covered since the truck was new. There's about $125,000 invested into the build of this truck with a year's worth of planning and engineering. I'll try to cover it in my description, but a lot of work went into this truck and a lot of very fine detail work. All the bolts on the undercarriage are grade 8 bolts. Anything else is cadmium plated. This has a menu screen. We're able to bring up our AV source. We're able to see one camera. That gives us one view. We're able to return and go back to the other view. Electric brake controller. Compressors only run when the truck is asking for air. It has a tank built under the truck that I'll cover in my pictures that has a holding capability of approximately 4 gallons, and that is got a coating on the interior to stop rust. There's air dryers on the compressors so it will not build up a water. The alcohol system of this truck that runs the air has approximately 1 liter of alcohol impregnated into the system, so it will not build up any type of rust inside, and it will not freeze for winter. As you see, the suspension, super clean, super nice. I did not intend to build a show truck. I meant to build a truck that was a nice driver, that would handle and not have the harsh ride of springs. It actually turned out to be much nicer than I expected, and